Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can stretch your videos in CapCut PC. So add your video to the timeline, go to transform, and under uniform scale, turn it off. You can stretch it like this or even make it like super dense like that. Or you can scale the width out like this or in like so. If you want to, okay, hold on, let me show you something. If you, for instance, want it like this, but you want to fill in the area still, just enable uniform scale again and you can like zoom in to do that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!